Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites and taking action now. Confirm your Android model and which backup sources exist, like Google account, SIM, or local export. Next, enable Wi-Fi and plug the phone into power so processes won't be interrupted. Make sure you have at least 200 MB free for temporary cache. Then open Settings, go to Accounts, select your Google account and verify Contacts Sync is turned on. If it's off, toggle it now so the device can request restored entries automatically. Once your account sync is active, open the Contacts app and use menu right arrow settings, right arrow import/export, or accounts to trigger a manual sync. Hit sync now and watch for imported names. If contacts were deleted recently, sign in to Google Contacts on a browser and use undo changes within 30 days to restore a snapshot, then resync on the phone. Also import from SIM or local storage if present. When prompted, choose Merge Rules to avoid creating duplicates, and verify newly listed. To finish, check local backups or a reputable recovery app with explicit read permissions to scan deleted entries. Follow app prompts to restore to contacts. If contacts don't appear, go to Settings, right arrow apps, right arrow contacts, force stop, and clear cache. Do not clear data. Then reopen and resync. This often refreshes the view. If problems persist, confirm you're signed into the same Google account that held the contacts and look through any other accounts on the device. Troubleshooting tip: if sync errors occur, toggle sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.